What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make this image adjust into this truck cargo right here to make this result. As you can see, we have some different shapes into the image that gives the look that the image is under a perspection. Okay, so there is three-dimensional style on the image, and how to make this for free on Canva app. First thing, got this image and apply into the truck, just like this. Try to adjust as better as you can into the first point, for example right here. Now we're gonna click on the image and review the left sidebar of menus. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, scroll it down and hit the option called apps. Once on apps, there is an option called search Canva apps, and type reshape, just like this. Type enter, and here is the guide we're looking for, the reshape. You're gonna need to open and start the app. It's quite simple, and use this first option right here. Every single one does a different thing with the shape, but for this specific case I'm gonna need the first one. As you can see now, we're gonna be able to click into this corner of the image, and we're gonna click, hold and move it just like this, and do the same into the bottom corner. Click and move just like this. Let's repeat the process. Adjust the image, select, click in the corner, move just like this. Now click into the save option into the left side of your screen, because if you click out of the design, the image gonna goes back to the original size. And here is the result we got. Of course, you can change again to make a better option to fit the design. You can apply some zoom to better fit, but if you spend a little bit of time, you're gonna be able to do this. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.